Good evening. Today I have an update regarding a company called Quadrant Future Tek Ltd. It's a company where Ashish Kacholia has acquired a fresh stake and a stock that you can keep an eye on. The Ashish Kacholia has bought further stake through its investment firms Bengal Finance and Investment Private Limited, and also through Suryavanshi Commotrade Private Limited, total to about 3.46%. The price of the stock trading at 496, which is down 33% from its 52-week high of 744. The stock has given a positive return of 11.51% in the last 1 year. So, Quadrant Future Tek Limited is a research-oriented company that deals with train control and signaling systems in India. Its product portfolio consists of train collision avoidance systems, electronic interlocking systems, and various interconnect products like electrical connectors and wiring harnesses. The company also produces specialty cables for railway rolling stock, the naval defense industry, renewable energy, automotive, and railway signaling applications. Quadrant Future Tech Limited has a wide variety of products and services. Under specialty cables, it deals in control and power cables, railway coaches, locomotives, EMU signaling cables, and screened and unscreened power cables for naval vessels. It also provides TUV certified solar cables with added value products such as connectors, junction boxes, uh, irradiation cross-linked cables used in automobile industry, and indoor-outdoor signaling cables used in railways, followed by the train control system services such as train collision avoidance systems, electronic interlocking systems. Additionally, the company also produces electrical connectors used in rail, defense, and automotive industries, as well as wire harnessing with end-to-end solutions for uh, cable assemblies in respective industries. The special cable division company has an installed capacity of 1,887 metric tons as of 30th September 2024. The train control and signaling division has an installed capacity of 4,492 station TCAS and 2,264 locomotive TCAS and 3,744 remote interface units. The shares made a debut on the stock exchange on the 14th of January 2025. The IPO was set for a price of 290 per share for a fresh issue of rupees 290 crores. It got listed at rupees 370 on the NSE, reflecting a 29% strong listing gain. The company reported a revenue. We'll go through this information, through some information we have. Just a disclaimer: the views and investment tips expressed by the investment expert, broking houses, and rating agencies on the internet are of their own. This is not my personal information being shared. Investing in equity possesses the risk of financial losses. Investors must therefore exercise due caution while investing or trading in stocks. The author of this article, which is myself, is not liable for any loss caused as a result of the decision based on this article. Please consult an investment advice broker or advisor before making any investments or trading in any stock. So we'll continue with some other information that you see here. The stock is currently trading at 490 rupees. This is the price of today. uh, it's at a 7% negative return in the last 1 month, about 10% positive in the last 6 months. Not really sure how this is calculated. When the stock was listed at 390 in January this year, the price of this should be higher. However, possibility that the stock may be valued at a higher price in the market before. So this is the logo of the company, that round circle with multiple colors reflecting probably different type of cables for the industry. Then this is the IPO details picked up from the internet, published by mint.com. We have information here. Ownership strength is slightly missing the benchmark. The stock is considerably attractive based on the current value. Company knows very well how to manage its assets and is giving a very good excellent rating for efficiency. The company possesses stable growth history and manageable debt. Face value 10, price to book value 5.67, book value 86 rupees, debt of 81 crores, cash of 71 lakhs, promoter holding 70%, earnings per share in the last 12 months is 3 rupees 68 paise, return on equity is 40%, growth of minus 0.7%, profit growth 5.82, return on capital employed is 23%. It is updated, or it is present on the Nifty IPO and then the BSC IPO indices. Then these are the different companies, peer companies, Phenolix Cables, RR Cable Limited, Diamond Power Infra, Sterlite Technologies, Precision Wire India, Universal Cables, Paramount Communication, Dynamic Cables, Advert Energy. So these are the companies that are uh, peer comparison to Quadrant Future Tech. You can see market cap ranges from 1,300 crores to 13,000 crores. Price varies from uh, 51 rupees to about 1,000 rupees across the board. Then you can see price to earnings ratio. Some of them are as high as 122, some of them at 45, and some of them are as low as 0. You have one with 16, you have another one with 25, universal cables with 29. So you have a wide ranging companies with the price to earnings ratio. What is more important is the return on capital employed. You can see uh, lowest is about 2%, average seems to be about 23, 24, and the highest being about 40. uh, so now decision should be based on the price, the market cap, the current market share, and the profitability of the company based on the price to earnings ratio, and then finally the return on capital employed and how much debt the company owes, which makes a difference between a high investment or a high value production company compared, or something that it can do without borrowing. So that is important decision as well. So you have public holding of 20%, direct institutional investors 7.5, which is good amount of holding. FIs has a low holding of 2.3. However, the public holding of 20% can lead to volatility in the price of the stock, as well as the high volume of shares that can cause negative sentiment in the markets. Quadrant Future Tech was established in 2015, develops train control and signaling systems, market cap of 1,945 crores, current price of 486, high of 744, ROCE of 40, ROC 23%, sorry, face value 10 rupees, stock to P 132, which suggests that the company uh, not able to generate enough profit compared to the price that is being valued at. Company has a good return on equity around 41% average in the last 3 years. Promoter holding decreased by 23%. This is through the IPO. Company may be capitalizing the interest cost. Then compared to some other industries, you have Aksh, Optifiber, TN Telecom, Clenon Enterprises. The market cap of some of these companies are very, very low. Brilla Cable, those are really low uh, market cap companies, very low priced as well. So possibility that the companies may not be breaking even, running at a loss. Price of the shares around 10 rupees for two of them. One of them is 42. Ideally, it again depends on the, you can see the net profit for the company is at a minus 8.45 crores. So even Quadrant Future Tek is running at a loss. So again, for this company to uh, have a bull run, the company would need to reduce its losses and possibly give a good return in the next 2 to 3 quarters for it to start doing well on the price front. You can see here the net profit year on year is about 14-15 crores in the last 2 years. So this needs to change. It needs to grow further. Last one of the last financials you can see here, profit growth is TTM 12 months 6%, return on equity last 3 years, sorry, 40%, sales growth of minus 1% in the last 1 year, reserves have reduced last year. So because the company is making losses, so the reserves are going down, borrowings have increased. From 81 crores to 98 crores. So this is something of a concern for the company. Overall, debtor days have increased as well. Inventory days have increased as well. Days payable 28. Working capital days have also increased. So because the company is not able to generate enough revenue, that is the reason why it is running at a loss. So this is it, friends, for this company. Though from a long term point of view, with the modernization of the Indian railway system, on a long term vision maybe of 5 to 10 years, there would be a lot of demand for upgradation of the current railway infrastructure, which would involve a lot of cabling, a lot of products that the company, like the signaling system that it does, those kind of business will improve. There would be demand for such products. So there is a possibility that the company would be able to gain substantial market share and revenue from government related companies and the Indian Railways. So something for you to keep a track of. Consult an investment advisor if you're looking to invest into this company as a portfolio for a long-term return of at least 5 to 10 years. So thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends, family and associates so they could also benefit from this information. Please share your valuable feedback so which can help me improve the content and overall presentation of this video, and anything else you would like me to include in the video. I'll be much happy and willing to make the necessary changes. So thank you once again. We'll connect with another video tomorrow.